What's up guys, it's the Anfield01 here bringing you my bike review. As you see, I've got a fitbike, Eddy 1. I've just spent a lot on it. It's not done yet, so I'm getting a seat post and a seat, but it's basically finished, so I'm just going to do a review about it. So first I've got the Odyssey keyboard grips, Aaron Ross, really comfy. They've done me really good, but I've worn on my friend's bike who's going to do his review next. Yeah, so Odyssey keyboard, Aaron Ross grips, just an old Tektro brake lever. Yeah, let's bring it out then. I've got an Odyssey green brake cable. Not got a lot of these parts. I've not had a lot of these parts for long. Just Primo sticker which I've stuck on. Obviously the original fitbike bars. Original fitbike forks. I've got a Smurf because I wanted a Smurf on it. I've got proper microlight rims with proper microlight hubs. I'm not sure what the spokes are. They're not double butted, are they? Are they double butted? They probably will be double butted. I think they're Mutiny double butted spokes. Not sure. So don't have a go at me on comments if they're not. Yeah, but I think they're Mutiny double butted spokes. I've got a proper microlight stem. I love this stem, it's really nice. With a basic fitbike headset. Then I've got obviously the fitbike frame and this sticker. Then I've got fitbike crank arms, but I've got Primo pedals. I have got some Odyssey twisters, but I want some green pedals, so I've got these on for now. But I'm probably going to put my Odyssey twisters back on because these aren't as good. You can get green twisters. Yeah, probably might get some. Now I've got obviously the original fitbike slash, I think, seat, railing seat. Got a Spitfire sticker on it which I've added on, and I've got 2.25 tyres. Then I've got another proper microlight rim with proper microlight hub, cassette hub rear, and Mutiny double butt spokes, what I think. I got them as rim sets, that's why. And then I've got a band Budsaw sprocket, 25T. With a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. Now we're just going to do a cassette sound check. So Joe, you just hold this. Yeah. Wow, bro. Yeah, so they're quite loud, man. Quite loud. Oh, it's got Odyssey. Barons, forgot what the word was then. So they're quite loud, my cassette hub. So that is my bike, the fitbike, Eddy 1. Hope you like it. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks.